Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I will be reviewing some new Natasha Denona makeup. She recently came out with a new mini palette and it's called the new mini retro palette, as well as a matching blush. This one is the Bloom highlighting blush and it's an extension of the Love blush palette that she recently came out with. It looked gorgeous online and I thought I need to get it and review it for you guys. Resist. I did open up the packaging and I did some swatches of both the palette as well as the blush, and they're beautiful. They're just really sparkly. I really like the packaging for both of these palettes. I think they're very good quality and I like that it's not cheap plastic by any means. I love how cute it is as well. So when we can travel, hopefully all of this madness kind of ends very soon, but it's definitely very good for travel. I really love the colors. It comes with 2 matte shades as well as 3 shimmer shades and they look beautiful. You could definitely create a more smoky look as well as a nice neutral look as well, but I'm really excited to try these on. I'm going to zoom you guys in and get right into it. Natasha Denona recently created a neutral type of look using this palette that looked very beautiful, so I thought I would try to recreate it using this palette. These colors are so beautiful. So let's start off by using this matte shade over here, and I am going to blend that into my crease. Beautiful. I really love this shade. It's very neutral, very nice transition type of shade. Okay, so we are going to pick up this beautiful pink shimmer shade and I'm going to put that all over my lid. Very pretty shade. I love that the shimmer in this is so finely milled. It just gives a gorgeous shimmer to your eyelids. Looks really pretty. Next I'm going to grab this matte shade and I'm going to create a wing. Now this wing is only going to go kind of halfway and then go up, and actually one of my viewers did recommend this technique to me where you just create the eyeliner kind of halfway and go up instead of going all the way down. So I'm really excited to try this out. So we're going to start off by shading in right in the middle, and it really helps when the eyeshadow is quite pigmented and easy to work with. And we'll drag it right up. I'm not gonna go into my inner corner whatsoever with this. Interestingly enough, I really like the way this looks, and you can actually create this type of look with any kind of colored eyeshadow and just kind of start from the middle and create a flick. But it looks good. I kind of feel tempted to drag that eyeshadow down right in here just because that's what I'm used to, but it looks good. So let's continue. I'm going to grab this next shimmer shade and I'm going to just pat that right onto my eyelid. That shimmer shade is really beautiful. I love the way it looks. All right, let's go into this darker shade now. I'm gonna grab this darker shimmer shade and shade it right underneath my waterline. Oh, that looks beautiful. I think this is the perfect palette for summertime. All right, I'm going to add some mascara off camera and I will be right back. And that's the finished eye look. It looks so stunning. I went ahead and added some mascara, and today I'm using Chanel's new mascara, the Le Volume Stretch, and I think it actually looks really beautiful. I love how it makes your eyelashes just look so stunning and really like you have false eyelashes. But this eyeshadow look looks so good. I also added this lipstick shade in the Chanel Rouge Allure. This is the Camelia Rose. It just recently came out and I really love this formula very much. I think it looks really good with this eyeshadow look. All right, now let's try the blush. I think the packaging for this mini blush palette is so cute. I love how tiny it is. But even the blush itself looks stunning. I haven't used it on my face yet. I did swatch this, but I think it looks really beautiful. Now, this is an extension of the Love Cheek palette. I do feel the shades in this palette are more pink in comparison, but I do feel it does look similar to the shade right over here. It kind of has that shimmer to it. I will do swatches side by side to kind of compare both of those, but let's go ahead and try this blush palette out. Just putting a little bit on my brush. It's really pigmented. Ooh, this is pigmented, so let's just remove a little bit off of the brush. Ooh, that looks beautiful. Look at that glow. I think I prefer this one over the colors in here for sure. This gives you such a gorgeous glow, and it is intense, but I've come to learn that Natasha Denona's palettes are always so intense, but they're just beautiful. They give such a flattering look to your cheeks. Now, a little bit does go a long way. You can kind of use this as a highlighter as well. Kind of just put it a little bit higher than you normally would a regular blush. It's just beautiful. Just going to grab a bigger brush and just kind of disperse that color around just a little bit. And that's the finished look. I definitely feel that it looks so stunning. It just looks so fresh, so spring-like, and very uplifting. Definitely something that we need right now. But I went ahead and swatched this shade over here in the Love Blush Palette. And this color over here seems a bit more grainier than the blush. I do feel that I prefer this blush a lot more than this palette as a whole. Even though this blush palette is really beautiful, I did feel that the shimmer shades in this palette were really overpowering. So I'm really glad that she came out with this palette. This blush is stunning. It's beautiful. It's not too overpowering. And just swatching both of those shades side by side, I definitely feel that the shimmer in this was just too much. This is a little bit more toned down and the color is beautiful. Now the eyeshadow palette is so gorgeous, so stunning. The shimmer shades in here are just so perfect. I love how creamy it is. It's definitely the regular Natasha Denona quality. I definitely love the shades. I love the pink shades as well as the shimmer champagne shade. This one is so gorgeous. I love the entire look. I think it's stunning. The eyeshadow palette is $25 and the blush palette is $19. So I definitely think the price point of these is spot on. They're really gorgeous. I highly recommend both of them. I think that if you purchase the Love palette and you just didn't like the shimmer in this, you will definitely love the blush. The blush is stunning and the eyeshadow palette is perfect. I think you can create so many different looks. You could definitely create a smoky look just by using these two shades over here. This is a gorgeous transition shade. I love this color, and the champagne shade. I think that's my favorite color in this entire palette. But gorgeous collection. I highly recommend it. I'm definitely glad I reviewed these for you guys. And that's my review of Natasha Denona's new mini retro palette as well as the blush. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I hope if you were thinking about this collection, it made it a little bit easier for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already and hit that notification bell to get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you guys so much. I will see you in my next video.